guys, welcome back to Plus 593 podcast. Today we are going to talk about the Galapagos Islands. These are volcanic archipelago in the Pacific Oceans, renowned globally as a unique living museum and showcase of evolution. They are situated approximately 1,000 kilometers, that is 600 miles, west of the South American continent, and are famous for their extraordinary biodiversity, with many plants and animal species found nowhere else on the earth. The archipelago is relatively young, geologically formed by continuous volcanic activity over a hot spot where magma rises from the Earth's mantle. The islands on the western side, like Fernandina and Isabella, are younger and more volcanically active, while the eastern islands are older and gradually eroding. Biodiversity and endemic species. Due to their extreme isolation and unique environment, the Galapagos Islands are home to a high number of endemic species. Approximately 80% of the land birds, 97% of the reptiles and land mammals, and more than 30% of the plants that are unique to the island. Historical significance. The islands gained worldwide recognition after the visit of the naturalist Charles Darwin in 1835. His observation of the local wildlife, particularly the variation in inch and giant turtles between islands, were instrumental in the information of his theory of evolution by natural selection, published on the origin of a species in 1859. To preserve this unique ecosystem, most of the land area, about 97%, was designated the Galapagos National Park in 1959, and a large marine reserve was created in 1998. The islands were declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1978. Giant tortoises. Galapagos tortoise, after which the islands are named from the Old Spanish word Galápago, meaning saddle, referring to the shape of some tortoises' shells. Lonesome George was a male Pinta Island tortoise and the last known individual of the subspecies, and was the oldest one that lived in Galapagos Islands. Blue-footed and red-footed are distinct seabirds with different in nesting diet and appearance. The blue-footed booty nested on the ground on rocky islands primarily eat fish and has a famous bright blue feet. The red-footed booty nests in trees or bushes, has a more variety diet of fish and squid, and has reddish feet. The Galapagos penguin is a penguin endemic to the Galapagos Islands of Ecuador. It is the only penguin found on north of the Ecuador. Most inhabited Fernandina Island and the western coast of Isabella Island. Darwin's finches, a group of species with established beak adapted to different food sources, central to evolutionary studies. The marine iguana, also known as the sea iguana, saltwater iguana, or Galapagos marine iguana, is a species of iguana found only on the Galapagos Islands, unique among modern lizards. It is a marine reptile that has the ability to forage in the sea, for algae, which make up almost all of its diet. Tourism is highly regulated, with visitors typically exploring via guided tours or cruises to access the many designated visitor sites. The island can be visited year-round, with two main seasons influencing water and marine activity: a warm, rainy season December to May, and a cooler, drier season to June to November. The Galapagos Islands are a crucial site for scientific research and a major destination for ecotourism, allowing visitors to observe evolution in action in a relatively untouched natural environment. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video knowing more about the Galapagos Islands, and see you in the next video.